In order to create a new file in the system, click on the icon Add New File. Type the file reference number in the File Number section. Click on the Date section to select the date on which the file was opened. Click on the Type of Transaction section to select Gazetted Activities or Non-Gazetted Activities. For gazetted activities, you need to select the type of gazetted activities. Type the value of transaction for the file in the Total Value of Transaction section. For example, the value of the sale and purchase of the property transacted. Click on the Method of Establishing Business section to select the method by which you established business with your customer. For method of establishing business with customer via a non-face-to-face, you need to select the relevant method which was used. Next, add the relevant customer for the file by clicking on the icon Find Customer if the customer already exists in the CDD database. Click on the icon Add New Customer if the customer is not in the CDD database. You may refer to the other tutorial video for more information on how to add new customer in the CDD database. The customer that has been added can be observed in the Customer List section. Finally, click Submit to create a new file in the system. You may observe the particulars of the file in the File Details section.